Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, and then of course you also get your front parking sensors. You then get these brilliant diamond cut 18-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear, you've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Now on this Yaris, you do have the electric tailgate, which you can see just here. You've then got plenty of room inside here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. To lower the tailgate, simply press up top and it will drop down like so. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have part cloth, part leather interior with your Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got 4 electric windows all round. You've got keyless entry as well. And then coming inside, we then have your CVT gearbox in the middle. We've got your dual climate control in the front with your 2 front heated seats. We then have your touchscreen display which has your satellite navigation in. We've then got your media with your various audio sources along the top. Then back over to the steering wheel, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, onboard computer controls, volume, and then over to the right we have your track select, source, cruise control, lane keep assist and distance control. Let me just turn that down. You've then got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this Yaris has only done 15,970 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Yaris Cross, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.